Hi, my name is Corey Jensen. I am in the non-degree endorsement through Fort Hays State University, and I plan on graduating this spring 2020. Personal info about me. This is my 11th year in teaching. I've spent last 7 years at Tri-County Public Schools teaching physical education, and I was a head boys basketball coach. There I served in various roles, curriculum director in my area, golf coach, as I said, basketball coach. And now this is my first year at Hanover Public Schools, and I'm the K through 12 principal and athletic director. So it's been a busy year thus far, but it's going well. Family, my wife Brianna is a nurse practitioner. She graduated from Fort Hays State 2 years ago. We have 2 kids. Ellis, my son, is 4. And Cam will be 2 this January. They're very busy, and they keep my life. They keep it fun. We share a lot of laughs, but I love being a dad to them. Educational background. I had a family of educators, so my grandpa was a teacher for 30 years. He eventually got his doctorate and got into the higher education. My dad was a high school principal and teacher and coach, and then he got out of that and went to the private sector. And then my mom recently retired within 5 years. She was an art teacher for over 30 years. So I have a strong background with educators. I graduated from Valley Heights High School, which is in Blue Rapids, Kansas, in 2004. Went on to graduate from Kansas State University in 2009. Got my first master's with Emporia State in 2014, and then my non-degree endorsement through Fort Hays, which I'll graduate this spring. Professional goals. Next 5 years, I want to complete my endorsement program for building leadership through Fort Hays State. I want to pass the praxis exam, and I want to establish myself as an administrator. And I've been trying to do that, obviously, with year 1. The biggest thing I'm trying to do is build a culture and build rapport with all of my teachers. 6 to 10 years from now, I hope to continue my education with the district leadership endorsement and continue to be a lifelong learner and be the best administrator I can be. Beyond 10 years, at some point, I would like to become a district leader, but I am in no rush at all to do that. Why I chose Fort Hays State. I've had several friends go through the program, so they've recommended it to me, and I like the online environment. That makes it easy, not having to travel to a campus, and they also had the non-degree option, which is a plus for me since I already have my initial master's. And then obviously cost is a big factor. Fort Hays State is one of the cheaper schools to go to. And that makes it a great option, while I don't think I'm sacrificing any content or anything like that. So what I expect to get out of this program, I expect this program to prepare me to become the best administrator I can be, giving me that knowledge base, and then also fully prepare me for the 6099 test to become fully certified. Thank you, and I look forward to continuing work in this program.